Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I get a question like, what if you don't get your GCMS notes in time? If you check the website and also the email that you get after you apply for GCMS notes, they ask for 30 days time, 30 calendar days, not business days. And if it falls on a weekend or something, then the next working day it comes. But in some cases, it does cross. It has happened with me also. I have filed these notes various times across various applications. So in my case, it had crossed that time, and still I had no indication when I could get it. So what I did, like, if you check the email, the automated email when you submit a GCMS notes, or in old terms CAIPS notes, it comes with a tracking ID. So I responded on the same email and said that this is what it is, and this is when it was applied, and I haven't got it. So a few days later, I got a response where they acknowledged that it has been delayed, and they would and that has been put under the rush request queue. I don't know what is rush request queue, but it was told to me. Then after a few days, I got it. So this is how it works, right? So if it has crossed the processing time in your case, you can also do that. But yes, not if you have got already. Thanks for watching.